Chemtrail alert! Actually, they were spraying them earlier, but in a new pattern, actually. So I just haven't quite figured out what was up. Ow! 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 Mosquitoes. And of course, there's a we're Friday evening here, or good Saturday morning in UTC land time. Geomagnetic storm is in effect. It just kicked up to a 6 and probably going to go to a 7 before this is over in 3 days. So it will be a solar storming all weekend long. Numerous small CMEs still coming in. This one triggered off this afternoon with a big CME. And there's also a strong, brisk, dense, though brief solar storm coming in from that thong-shaped coronal hole. Alright, well, have a good night here. Anyone that's been keeping up on the tomatoes, as you can see, there's the older ones. Here, come back here, dogs. Well into bloom, so are the slightly younger ones. There's a crotch height, so, and well into bloom. But I don't see any tomatoes yet. I see a few that look like they've been fertilized. And there's the slightly younger ones. Right, well, peace out, y'all. Guess it's our country's corporate birthdays in a few days, so happy Canada Day, eh? Happy Independence Day, whatever the fuck that was. That joke was about. Y'all. Catch you later.